Chapter 1, Organization. Section B, first question, define organization. According to Louis A. Allen has defined organization as the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed. That means we have to identify the process, what we are going to do. At the same time, we have to make some grouping before the work. That is called planning. In organization, we need planning. That is called the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, what we are going to do. Then defining and delegating responsibility and authority and establishing relationship for the purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together in accomplishing objectives. So the purpose of organization is to obtain the objective. Without objective, there is no organization. So for the purpose of to obtain the goal, we need to make a identification of process. At the same time, grouping of process is also very essential according to Louis A. Allen. At the same time, we have to define the delegation of authority. Delegation is very important, but that means giving powers to others. Powers and responsibility to others. That is called a delegation of authority and responsibility. At the same time, we have to maintain good relationship. Purpose is to make all the employees efficient and effective manner. Purpose is to achieve the organizational goal without any interfere. So the purpose of organization is to achieve the target. That is the definition given by Louis A. Allen. Once again I explain, the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, at the same time defining and delegating the responsibility and authority and establishing good relationship for a purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together in accomplishing objectives. That means to obtain the objectives. What do you mean by coordination? The various activities of an undertaking or organization should be coordinated to secure the desired results. The different departments may have to function frequently in close consultation with other departments in a departmental store. The purchase department and sales department activities must be well coordinated to increase profit. So this is the meaning of coordination. So coordination means link between one department to another department, then only the company can achieve the target. If you want to increase the profit level, the activities should be interlinked between one department to another department. That means smooth relationship between the one department to another department is very important. That means frequent consultancy. For example, production department has to make link between the sales department. Then only they can identify the target of the sales department, then only they can produce according to the need. At the same time, purchase department has to link with production department. Based on the production level, based on the production capacity, based on the need of production, only they can buy the raw material. So the link between one department to another department, that means the relationship between the one department to another department is very important for the purpose of to achieve the target of the business concern. This is called coordination. Good relationship between one department to another department. The key word is close consultation with one department to another department. Each and every activity, then only we can get the success. This is one of the organization principle. Fourth question, what is sole trading business? Any business unit which is owned and controlled by a single individual is known as a sole trading concern. It is also named sole proprietorship business or single